Today, Apple just dropped a new update, iOS 18.4.1, and I'm going to show you how to get it on your iPhone or iPad in just a few steps. Now, this update's not huge, but it's still pretty important. It fixes some annoying bugs, like CarPlay not working in certain cars and even deleted apps randomly coming back. Plus, there are some security fixes too, so it's definitely worth installing. All right, here's how to do it. Just head over to Settings, tap on General, and then go to Software Update. Give it a second to check for updates, and you should see iOS 18.4.1 pop up. When it shows up, tap Download and Install. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and your battery's good, or just plug in your phone to be safe. Once it's downloaded, your device will restart and install the update. It usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, so hang tight. And that's it. You're all set with iOS 18.4.1. Drop a comment if you notice any changes or if you're excited for iOS 18.5. That one's already in beta and coming soon. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech updates. Catch you in the next one.